Effective, as you may know, is a project that answered the call from the European Commission, and the overall objective was that of improving exploitation of FOF projects. Now, in order to do that, we decided to involve partners from around Europe that were expert in industrial exploitation from different points of view. And that is why we involved Brainport from the Netherlands, Steinbach from Germany, Aivace from Spain, and clearly ourselves as a company working in industrial exploitation and transfer and technological transfer in Italy. The other reason was that we were all experts of other types of European research projects, which means that we were capable of understanding the problems that today exist in this type of project and answering these problems within Effective itself. The problem of current FOF project is not that they are not successful, but that they are not still capable of bringing their innovation into the market in an effective way. FOF project in general doesn't cover all the transition to the market. So the problem is how can we bridge the gap between the end of an FOF project and the reaching of a market to the market of such a product. So this is why we decided through Effective to work on this aspect. The project itself, Effective, the CSA, has seen during its first year of working the major difficulty in establishing a common vision among the partners on how Effective should be helpful towards the Commission. It was mostly a problem of vocabulary and common understanding of how this kind of problem should be matched. But once this has been solved, then the partners have started working in a very effective way. Well, the main challenge of Effective is that of creating awareness and self-awareness towards the Commission on what are the major point of difficulties of existing FOF project. So maybe we have clear in mind which is the path towards the achievement of the result of Effective, but encapsulating them into a way that can be understood by high-level management of European Commission is certainly one of the major challenges of the CSA. The major aspects that we discovered during the first month of Effective was that one of the root problems of exploitation is the absence of an awareness by the market, the Commission itself, and in part also the FOF project, of what an exploitable result should be. So, in order to solve this issue, what we decided to do is to propose a much more structured way of describing this type of results, which means creating a sort of data model and database that can help describing better existing or future results of FOF project in a labeled way, so that when they are produced, then they are searchable, they are reachable through specific tools, software tools that the Commission can then implement into their normal platform of the European Research Project. So what we are trying to do to support FOF is to increase, to upgrade in some way the infrastructure supporting the evolution of this project, so that it helps coordinator of FOF projects in describing better what they are doing and what they want to achieve.